Hello, beautiful minds, and welcome once again to the Game of AI channel, your ultimate stop for diving deep into the riveting world of artificial intelligence. Today, I'm here to guide you through an enriching dialogue that promises not only to expand your horizons but also possibly reshape the way you perceive the modern world. So, settle in, and maybe grab a cup of your favorite beverage as we traverse this exhilarating path together. As we are well aware, artificial intelligence is not just another technological innovation. It represents a significant shift in how we interact with machines, data, and even with each other. It's akin to stepping into a vibrant labyrinth where every turn unveils a facet that is more fascinating than the last. The power of AI lies not just in its complexity but in its ability to simplify and enhance various aspects of our lives. Picture this: a world where medical diagnoses are more precise and swift, saving countless lives. A reality where our cars drive themselves, making roads safer and journeys more comfortable. An era where mundane tasks are automated, freeing up human time and energy for more creative, fulfilling endeavors. Yes, learning AI is not just about understanding a technology. It's about unlocking a future where these scenarios are not just possible but a daily reality. Moreover, the integration of AI with other emerging technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, blockchain, and augmented reality, AR, is paving the way for innovations that were once confined to the realms of science fiction. Imagine smart homes that anticipate your needs, virtual realities that offer immersive experiences, and decentralized systems that safeguard our data with unprecedented security. Learning AI equips you with the key to unlock and be a part of this grandiose transformation that is underway. Now, let's talk about the sheer creativity and innovation that AI is fostering. In the world of gaming, which many of you are fond of, AI is creating experiences that are more immersive and dynamic. Game developers are harnessing the power of AI to craft narratives that are rich, environments that are incredibly realistic, and gameplay that adapts to the skills and strategies of the player. It's like stepping into a world that interacts with you, understands you, and evolves with you. Furthermore, the artistic collaborations between AI and humans are producing works that are nothing short of magical. AI algorithms can analyze patterns and styles from vast arrays of artistic works, assisting artists in creating pieces that are both innovative and deeply personal. Similarly, in the music industry, AI is facilitating the creation of compositions that are complex, soul-stirring, and truly avant-garde. But it's not just about the arts or technology. AI is making waves in the social sphere as well. It's helping in the fight against climate change by optimizing energy usage, predicting environmental trends, and even aiding in the development of sustainable technologies. It's at the forefront in the realm of social justice too, assisting in identifying and mitigating biases, fostering inclusivity, and helping create a society that is more just and equal. As we navigate this conversation, I'd like you to perceive learning AI as an enriching journey that fosters growth, curiosity, and a deep sense of wonder. It's about nurturing a mindset that is analytical, visionary, and profoundly empathetic. As you delve deeper into the AI realm, you not only become a technology enthusiast but a visionary, a creative thinker, a problem solver, a beacon of innovation and progress in a world that is ever evolving. And before we close this enriching dialogue, I encourage you all to envisage being a part of this revolutionary journey. As enthusiasts and learners, you have the power to shape the direction and the narrative surrounding AI. To ensure that as it grows, it embodies values of empathy, inclusivity, and beneficence, creating a future that we all can look forward to with anticipation and hope. So dear friends, as we stand at the cusp of a new era, I invite you to join hands and walk this path of learning and exploration together. Remember, the Game of AI is not just a channel. It's a community, a family united by a shared passion and curiosity for the unknown. As we bid adieu today, I urge you to remain hooked because what we are set to explore in our upcoming videos will certainly redefine the way we perceive the world of artificial intelligence. So don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to the Game of AI channel for a journey that promises to be as captivating as it is enlightening. Thank you for being an integral part of this community, and until we meet again, remember, the game has just begun, and together, we are set to traverse territories unknown and exhilarating. Stay tuned, stay curious, and as always, keep playing the game of AI.